believe. Yeah, a little sharp.
Oh, yeah. You can throw that one.
Yeah, look at his eyes. That shit's crazy. He got the little tags on the back right here. Those are parasites, but yeah. A little ugly little joker. You don't want him? Act like you want to get me for a second.
What are you using to catch them?
Ah, shit, shrimp.
Catch one.
Shrimp. It's kind of hard to tell through the fucking wind and the waves. That shit is fucking hard. They over here tearing my ass up, low key. Yeah.
No, look.
Oh, some tried to hit his ass. Some tried to fuck him up.